Okay, so what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Chibu'S, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a weekly forecast of the pairs I'm looking to trade going into this current week. First of all, I tried doing a live stream, but I didn't realize that 80% of the live stream, my screen wasn't showing. But yeah, so I just have to like quickly do a recording and quickly upload it to YouTube because it's a commitment I've kind of made to myself to dish out my forecast every single week. And I'm trying to hold myself accountable, and I want to be consistent with it. So I just have to quickly record this. This is about 12:56 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, so I'll just record this and I'm just going to drop it straight into YouTube. There's not going to be any fancy edit on this. And enough of the rants. Let's just go straight into the video. So firstly, I have Hero Card at the top of my list. Now you guys already know. Okay, for those of you that are just coming across my channel, I have a wide range of pairs that I'm actually trading. But what I do is I just do my analysis on all of them, and obviously there's not going to be a setup on each and every single one of them. So once I find a very very good setup that I'm looking to capitalize on in that current week, I just add it to my red list. So once I wake up every single morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, I quickly just check the red list and skim through my major watch list to see if there's any potential setup that that have showed up in the pairs that are not in my red list. So I add them to my red list. Then I check my red list to see what the pairs that I'm looking to capitalize on this current week are currently doing. So yeah, first of all, Euro card. You can see that Euro card is bullish on the 4 hour, and on the daily also it's also in a bullish trend. So yeah, looking at this, I did an analysis of this pair last week in my weekly forecast, telling you guys that I'm going to go long if price comes into this zone right here. And yeah, I have an open position on my prop firm currently on this pair, card chef and AD chef. So these are trades from last week that I'm currently involved in right now. So I'm just setting price to pull to the upside. So I'm not going to be doing much explanation on Eurocard, Chef, and AD Chef. I'm just going to show you guys the setup. Yeah, so similar thing on Chef right here, but this is a short position. So I'm basically just anticipating price to head to the downside from here. Now AD Chef, it's also a similar story here. Same setup too. So I'm also just anticipating price to head to the upside for AD Chef. Now for you as the chef right now, it's a pair that okay, it's for this current week. I don't have any open position on it, but I'm anticipating a certain move from you as the chef. And now this is the move I'm anticipating from you as the chef. We are heavily bearish on you as the chef on the 4 hour. Now I'm anticipating price to come back into this QMR right here and head to the downside. Now it's a very very simple setup. You can see that price swept liquidity to the upside. After sweeping liquidity to the upside, price broke structure to the downside. Now after breaking structure to the downside, you can see that price pulled up and pulled down, giving me this structural liquidity right here. And now I expect price to sweep this structural liquidity and tap into this 4 hour QMR right here and head to the downside. So that's it for USD Chef. Now for Euro USD. Euro USD. I have a buy setup on it. And Euro USD is on a very, very bullish trend. You can see that after price created this high right here, it pulled down, giving us this higher low. After creating this higher low, price pulled up, giving us this higher high, and price then broke this low, giving us this lower low. But the downtrend during this time didn't sustain itself. Price eventually went on to break that high that brought about the break of this low. So in doing so, it created this higher high right here. So we are bullish on the 4 hour on Euro USD. And basically what I basically just did is I looked for my entry model. Now I've seen price take out this low, break of structure, went on to take out this high break of structure, then pull down, pulled up, giving me this structural liquidity right here that I just simply expect price to sweep it and head to the upside. So that's just simply it. I just have analysis on USD Chef and Euro USD. They're the only pairs that I don't currently have an open trade on them right now. They are just potential limit orders right now. But there are trades that will eventually get involved in if price comes back to my zone and price does not run away from them. Yeah. So that's just it for this weekly forecast. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, guys, I'm right here cheering you on as you navigate and carve out your path to success. Go conquer those goals. Peace.